my channel. Today's video is going to be a lot different than it usually is. We're going to do a beauty makeup. I usually do makeup effects or transformations of characters, but I'm gonna hop on the YouTube train of this really popular trend going on right now, and it is YouTubers who make videos saying I do blanks makeup tutorial. They take a makeup artist who's popular on YouTube and recreate their look that they're teaching you in their videos. A lot of people have chosen the person who I am choosing today, and that is Miss Jaclyn Hill. A lot of people like Manny MUA. My favorite, Raw Beauty Christie. If you don't know who Jaclyn Hill is, she is a highly successful makeup artist who's on YouTube. She's not only beautiful, but I've never met her in person. She seems like a sweet, kind person, and she just keeps it real. I love how she is like so silly and is not super serious, but she could also glam it up and just look boss. And I recently got the Morphe Jaclyn Hill palette, and I haven't had a chance to really play with this. There's not as many videos of this palette that she's created on her channel as I thought there would be. Sometimes she dips in it, but it's not like many whole dedicated looks. So the one I chose today that I really loved is the Drugstore Affordable Fall Makeup Tutorial. I'm gonna watch this video, recreate it on my face. So let's get started, shall we?
Okay, so I'm finally gonna be using this Milani Conceal and Perfect Foundation. It says it's a 2-in-1 foundation.
I have that. I'm so excited. She just gets her finger and goes like this.
No nail at all.
She's going so quick.
They were like, Tati loves that. Tati loves that.
I agree. I love Tati too. I'm gonna use my expert Real Techniques since I don't have a Morphe one.
You love something? I love something. I just feel like she's one of the real ones.
Preach, girl. Love Tati Westbrook.
The coverage on this foundation is absolutely ridiculous.
Honestly, maybe I should put on more because the coverage for me is looking light to medium. Let's blend her in some more. She has a L'Oreal concealer. The concealer ends up burning her face, so I'm gonna be using the NYX HD concealer because it's still in the drugstore category and I don't have any of those concealers. I'm afraid to use them. So she does like a triangle motion. I hate when you go like this in your inner eye and you hear a gush noise.
You know what? I'm gonna just go in with the trusty L'Oreal True Match powder.
So I don't have the L'Oreal True Match, and she's not putting concealer on her acne spots because Queen doesn't have any. She's flawless. But I'm not, so. The closest thing I do have to it is my Rimmel Stay Matte powder.
I just like barely pat the powder onto my face.
Okay, I'm gonna get one that looks like that.
Glow throughout the day, as opposed to making myself so matte that it's like chalkboard matte. The L'Oreal Brow Stylist Shape and Fill Triangular Pencil.
So I don't have that version of the L'Oreal one. I have a L'Oreal one that's a precise brow, but I do have a drugstore amazing brow pencil that's the same shape as the one she's using. And it is the Wet n Wild retractable pencil. I'm sure it's either the same price or similar in price. So let's do our brows. Mine won't slay as hard as her brows because I absolutely love Jaclyn Hill's eyebrows, but we'll try.
All right, brows are now done.
Whoa, she's quick, okay. Dear brow gods, please bless me today while I'm doing a video looking at Jaclyn Hill's beauty and hoping to recreate the magnificent thing she's gonna do on her eyes. That's unfortunate. I feel like I'm cooking in front of my mom for the first time, and I'm like, Mom, I'm really trying to make you a great dinner for Mother's Day. And my mom just gave me this look like, yeah, I know. You're doing good, sweetie. And I'm like, oh, I don't think so, Mom. Okay, I think we're done brows. Let's move on.
With my eyeshadow, I'm just going to put some translucent powder all over my face really quickly to catch any fallout.
She doesn't say what translucent powder she has.
Translucent powder I'm using right now is not from the drugstore. It's just what's sitting on my vanity,
okay.
But any translucent powder will work.
I honestly feel like a alien. I've never baked under my eyes, so this is different.
Just go ahead and toss
You're going so fast.
The transition.
She's going in with Creamsicle. I don't know what brush she's using. I'm using the Morphe M521. I'm not a person who usually says brush numbers, but we're gonna go in with Creamsicle.
The reason I'm applying this yellowy orange shade first is because once we have on all those other colors, this color is just gonna kind of beam through from the very bottom.
Beam me, girl. I feel like an alien. Beam me up.
I go in with the shade Pukey right here. I always start off with the lightest color up the highest, and then I go darker down, down, down.
Why is mine so pigmented? Like, that sounds like a great word, but maybe I should have done that. Come on, Jaclyn. I'm trying, Mom.
Like, you know when you just feel it. Like, I'm just feeling it right now. I'm gonna go in with the shade
I hope I'm feeling it too.
Right. I'm gonna spritz my brush with a little bit of Fix Plus. This is not necessary at all.
And it's not necessary drugstore, but you're lucky, girl. I got some Fix Plus on hand. So she dipped it in first because there's color on it before she dipped the Fix Plus.
I'm just going to place this all over my lid. Oh my god, I love this color! All right, now I'm going to go in with the shade Enchanted, which is...
She's already done both eyes. Wait a second. Girl, I need to really concentrate on this. And she kind of blends it lightly. I feel like I messed up on that.
All right, now I'm going to go in with the shade Enchanted. I'm gonna put that on a fluffy brush and just put that right in my crease, kind of over top of where those two colors are.
Okay. I think we're looking like her. I have such hooded eyes that it's a little difficult.
All right, now I'm gonna grab a little bit of the shade Pool Party right here, which is a matte, very like
Pool Party
aqua, with really, really lightly on that outer corner where the shimmery green and the matte green meet.
Where the shimmery and matte meet, patting it lightly, girl. So she's taking off her bake.
All right, I'm just gonna hit the brow bone with some highlight. I'm using the first shade in the palette, which is in Light. Okay, so for the lower lash line, I'm gonna go back in with Creamsicle and Pukey, these two shades, and just mix them together on a pencil brush. All right, and then I'm gonna take Central Park, that dark...
Wait a second. Where's Central Park? Here she is. We've used her before.
So then with a really tiny pencil brush, I'm just gonna blend those two shades together. That way you don't see like the harsh line of the dark brown that I want it to be very blown out and soft. For this look, you could do black in your inner rim or you could do nothing in your inner rim, but I don't want it to be too smoky and too intense, so that's why I'm gonna go in with a light creamy color on my waterline. I feel like that like ties the look together, like it brings it to where I want it.
Sure does.
I pop on some false lashes. You totally do not have to do false lashes if you're comfortable without them, but I'm not.
I am using a drugstore mascara, the only one I have because I need waterproof mascaras, which is the L'Oreal Voluminous Lash Paradise. That's supposed to be the dupe to the Better Than Sex Too Faced mascara. Let me get my lashes. So Jaclyn Hill usually has extra lashes that are like fluttery and they are doubled. I'm just gonna use a drugstore lash that isn't too extra.
NYC Smooth Skin Bronzing Face Powder right here.
I don't have that, but my favorite bronzer from the drugstore, this is the Wet n Wild Mega Glow Contouring Bronzing Duo. And she goes like this.
So I'm gonna go in with this e.l.f. in the shade Mellow Mauve.
I'm gonna use this one from BH. It's not a drugstore product, but it's the price of drugstore.
To be honest, which is weird because I've used e.l.f. blushes before in the past and I've always really liked them.
Low key, this blush palette, amazing.
For highlight, I am thinking I'm gonna use the Wet n Wild Precious Petals.
I have that, girl.
I have so much texture on this side of my face, I cannot get over it.
Same.
Like, I'm just covered in texture on my left side. I'm just in a Kat Von D mood recently, I have to say. I'm gonna go in with the shade Sanctuary.
So in this video, she goes through literally like 3 lip colors, but she ends up with this beautiful brown red color. And the only one I could find that's close to it is this by, is it Jaclyn Cosmetics? It's the Pure Lust Extreme Matte Tint in the color 12. She used the Master Effects spray. I don't have that. All I have is this CoverGirl that I've never used, so hopefully it doesn't destroy everything we just did. Ooh. Not my favorite scent. This is from their new Healthy Elixir line. Lock Up. Hers is more glossy, so I'm gonna get a gloss to put on top.
Alright you guys, so I am officially done. I am signing out now.
Thank you guys so much for watching. This is my Jaclyn Hill's drugstore affordable fall makeup tutorial recreated onto my face. I hope I did a good job. I know my blending isn't probably like as precise and pristine as the queen, Miss Jaclyn's. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Subscribe for more videos. Let me know if you want to see ones like this. Leave in the comments if you want me to do another makeup tutorial, or even if it's a makeup effects artist other tutorial. That would be interesting. No one, I don't know if has done that yet. I usually do character characters and makeup effects on this channel, but I hope you guys stick around and enjoy. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me today, and I will see you guys in the next video. I try to do 2 a week. We'll see. Love you all. Bye.